Don't you wish that small game didn't get away? Don't you wish that small game didn't stand any chance in the world? I could show you how. Many hunters only miss by a little bit. What if through technology we could make these near misses hits? Let the SAM X14 turn all those near miss shots into right on target shots. You may have seen cheap imitations in movies like Rambo and the cheeky California Governor films, but this is the real deal. Military experts like John and Arnold may say that explosive and archery only have Green Beret applications, but we disagree. My patent small animal mutilator tip, or SAM for short, takes your near misses and puts them right on target. Let me demonstrate. Okay, calm down. Before you go rushing to my website with your credit card to go purchase this bad boy, there's actually an added bonus. Firemen put their lives on the line every day. One of these dangerous classical problems is a little kid's cat stuck in a tree. How can you get this cat out of the tree, you might ask? I can show you how. Through months of testing the SAM X14 in the field, we noticed that the cats perched up in the tree are just out of the dog's reach. The X14 solves this problem with the same near-miss technology. Just fire at a location near the cat, and the cat is free from the predicament. As you can see, the X14 does its job. Okay, calm down. There's actually an added bonus. The X14 deters trespassing. Okay, calm down. Before you go and purchase this bad boy on my website, there's an added bonus. New in development, it's a Scud X39. The X14 deters trespassing.
Where'd he go?
I think I can see a little bit of him on the end of the tip.
Yeah, I see a little bit of splatter.
Oh, her head's still there.